Crypto Leverage Trading Group, everybody's doing well. Tuesday morning, Bitcoin about 31,800 right now at the moment. I wanted to show you this great chart, all mapped out, everything you want to know, so you kind of know like where my mindset was, right? And my mindset is always in terms of the methods that we use and that we teach. And, people can either choose to follow them or not choose to follow, but 90% of the time, we got it dialed in, okay? And you've seen me say this from time to time about sometimes going to the macro frame. Now, what's the macro frame? The macro frame is your 1 day, your weekly, your monthly, okay? Anything above 1 day is a macro frame, okay? Everything below is micro because anything can happen during a day. Yesterday proved it, okay? But buying opportunities long term, okay? Being strategic, okay, in terms of your spot trading, right? Not just your leverage trading. We'll get into that this week. We've got tons of open trades right now because we're playing the reversal right now. Everything's going to come back up today. Everything. Because everything got taken out so bad yesterday, okay? And it's got, a lot of room to fill, right? And so it's going to be a lot of money made today. Simply swing trading, simply scalping, what it just is. And because there was a lot of money lost yesterday, okay? But if you look at this and you look at this Bitcoin 1 day chart here on Bitstamp on TradingView and how it's mapped out, it shows you how the macro frame over time reveals price action or behavior. Why am I always a proponent of RSI? Why do you always see me talking about relative strength index? Because it works. I don't need to go and chase 1,000 other TradingView indicators, okay, to try and make them work or to be, I got a new indicator guy. I don't need that. I don't need compelled to do that when I have a time tested indicator that works 90% of the time. When Bitcoin falls below a 20 RSI, okay, it rebounds to 40 RSI, 40, 45 RSI. Now, when that rebound may occur, maybe that same day, could be 24 hours, could be 40 hours. But that's what we're seeing already today. Bitcoin fell on the 4-hour chart yesterday to an RSI level of 6. 6. Okay? Screaming buy. Screaming long-term buy. Okay? This morning, it's at 30. In less than 12 hours, it has moved from an RSI level on the 4-hour of 6 to 30. What does that tell you? It tells you that below 30, everything is oversold. Now, what degree is it oversold? Market conditions, global economies, the Fed rate hike that happened last week, like earlier last week. You know what I mean? But look at this 1 day chart, how it's bounced. Went three times in the last 6 to 8 months or whatever it is. The RSI level on the 1 day Bitcoin chart has gotten below 30. Only 3 times. And what has happened once it has hit 30 the 3 times? Back here, early summer, boom, went all the way to 70, in the 70s. February of this year, January 22nd, boom, fell all the way down to an RSI 22. Remember, this is the 1 day chart, not the 4-hour. Boom, all the way back to 73. May 10th. What's going to happen? Well, if the pattern is true, and we're in the continuation pattern, we're not set a bear market. I don't see that, okay? I don't care what everybody says on Twitter. I'm not seeing a bear market, okay? Corrections happen in markets all the time. That does not mean that does not mean a bear market is set, okay? So the logical progression of the cycle still remains bottoming support here if the pattern holds true, and then a bounce. Okay? So that's really how you want to use the RSI. Use it on the 4-hour, use it on the 6-hour, use it on the 12-hour, use it on the 1 day. That's how you look at it. And you want to play the averages. The probability is Bitcoin's going back to 33,000 because that's the